y'all, what's up? It's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this just super messy, effortless waves look. I have been loving this look so much lately. I came across a picture on Instagram recently. I believe it was Cassie who was doing the whole like messy waves look, and I was just like, I have to do that. Like, it was so cute, and I tried it, and ever since I have been rocking it like nonstop because it is so cute. It may look hard, but it is super duper easy, and it's worth every single minute. This is the look. If you guys want to see how I achieve these curls, then keep on watching. And this is a wig, so this is not my natural hair. I'm just wearing it for like a week or so to give my hair a break. I already know I will get the question, so just in case you guys are wondering, this hair is from Diamond Dynasty Virgin Hair. I ordered it with my own money like back in November, and I trust it and would recommend it. So not sponsored, and it's still rocking months and months later after being purchased. So I made a wig out of it, and this is what I came up with. The hair is a body wave texture, so there are some waves already in it, but it is definitely still too just too straight and like sleek for my liking. I want for it to be like bigger. I have my handy dandy curling wand, which is this Conair curling wand. It's super affordable, already pretty hot. I have at the highest setting, which is 400, so it's ready to go. And all I do, honestly, you guys, is just take pieces of my hair, just like random chunks, nothing too uniformed, and I start to curl wand the hair away from my face. And I don't really curl the ends. That gives it much more of a wavy look. And I'll hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds. Let it set for a bit. Take it off. And that is the first wave. And it holds a curl really well too, so this amount is perfect for me, and it will last a few days. So this is how the first piece looks. You guys can see that. And as you guys can see, the ends are not curled really, but the rest of this little middle section is curled. And I will do like certain parts that are high, certain parts that are low, because that way it gives a very like, it gives more of that messier look instead of it being all one length. So right here I just did it more so in the middle for a curl, but I may do this piece here and curl it more so at the top, closer to the root. So again, I take my curling wand, wrap the hair away from my face, and I'll do this one higher up so it'll give it more of a curl towards the root. And then keep the ends from being curled. And I just hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. I kind of count in my head to make it easier on me, because I will lose count if I don't pay attention. And then once I'm done, I let it loose, and another wave. Yeah, we have that piece. And I just do that everywhere around my head. I'll take small sections, big sections. It really just honestly depends, and it just varies depending on how I'm feeling. But like I said, I want for it to be messy, to be effortless, so I don't want anything to be too uniformed and too clumped together. So again, I will take this bottom piece here and wrap it away from my face. So when I say that, I mean to wrap it like opposite of it falling towards my face. So wrapping it away. Wrap it around the curling wand a couple of times. Hold it for a few seconds. Let it set properly and let it go. That's it. Just like that, my wand curls are done. Now I just need to go in and kind of separate the curls and create some more volume. So the way I'll be doing that is first by finger raking through my hair. So I will just take my fingers and kind of loosen the curls up so that way they aren't so clumped together. And it's already making a huge difference, as you guys can see. It just adds more volume and it creates more like just thickness all around. Kind of push it up some. This is definitely such a fun part. Like the curling one is a little bit difficult because you have to focus on it, but this part is just do whatever you want to do and have fun with it. So that is what I'm doing. Having some fun. And then I'll take my comb and kind of just tease at the roots a little bit just to create more lift in certain areas. Not everywhere, but I kind of just feel around and see, you know, where do I want to add some volume, and I'll do it that way. Doesn't that make a huge difference, y'all? Such a huge difference. There are some pieces over here that are too clumped together for my liking, so taking my same comb and just kind of separating them a little bit by teasing them out. Last but not least, I'm going to take some hairspray. I'll be using the L'Oreal Lock-It Weather Control Hairspray. It is anti-frizz and it has a 48-hour hold. So this will, one, help my curls last and stay in place for a long time. And it will also create more lift and more volume and keep that, that volume in place. I'm kind of just spraying wherever, honestly. Nowhere in particular, but I will shake. See what happens. Trust me, it works. The hairspray, this one works so well. I live in Texas, so the humidity is like crazy right now, but it definitely works and it will hold my hairstyle in place for a very long time. But yeah, this is the look, you guys. I love it so much. It's just so like voluminous and sexy, and it just like, it just took the whole look up a notch. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I love it. Hope you guys do as well. If y'all have any questions, go ahead and comment them down below. And if you guys want to see more tutorials like this one where I show you guys how to style, you know, extensions and wigs and things like that, definitely let me know and I will do more of those for you guys. So comment down below and let me know. And if you guys enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And as always, I love y'all. Have a wonderful day and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.